One of the biggest Tesla news of 2024 is finally here. In a recent investor conference call, Elon Musk confirmed that Tesla's much-anticipated Semi is gearing up for volume production in the coming year. The visionary entrepreneur aims to see a staggering 50,000 Tesla Semis rolling off the assembly lines annually in 2024, signaling a massive stride in sustainable transportation. Tesla's VP, Lars Moravy, has also shed light on the company's meticulous production strategy. Lars Moravy states, "We are ramping up for an extraordinary production phase for the Tesla Semi," hinting at the magnitude of this project. The question on everyone's mind is, just how many of these cutting-edge electric trucks will Tesla be able to churn out in the upcoming year? Let's find out. Back in January 2023, Tesla had a big event where they shared plans to make their Gigafactory in Nevada even bigger. They wanted to add space not just for making special batteries, but also to mass-produce something exciting, the Tesla Semi truck. But hold on a sec. As of late November 2023, there's a twist in the plan. According to a post by Henrik Zane on X.com, the expansion project for Gigafactory Nevada hasn't started yet. It's on pause. But don't worry, because Tesla has a backup plan. Even though the factory expansion is on hold, they're still planning to make a bunch of Tesla Semis in 2024. How? Well, apparently Tesla is going to build a whole new building right next to their current factory just for making the Tesla Semi. Now, we're not sure if this new building is going to be a quick fix or a permanent solution, but one thing's for sure. Tesla is determined to get those semis rolling in 2024. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty details. In a recent video on the Jay Leno's Garage YouTube channel, Tesla VP Lars Moravy spilled some beans. He shared that when they first thought about making the Semi, they planned to use the batteries in the back of the trailer to power it. But guess what? The Tesla Semi turned out to be super efficient, not just when it's empty, but also when it's fully loaded with stuff. According to Tesla's website, when the Semi is fully loaded, it uses less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. Elon Musk even confirmed in December 2022 that it's actually closer to 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile. Now that's some serious efficiency. Even a manager from PepsiCo, who uses the Tesla Semis, said they've been super efficient, beating any other electric truck on the road. Lars Moravy also spilled the beans about having almost 100 Semis in their fleet already, testing them out and making sure they're tough enough. They're working with Pepsi to understand how durable these trucks are so they can start making a whole bunch more in 2024. All right, let's break down the details about how many Tesla Semis are out there and what's going on with production. But before we dive into the big news about mass production, let's chat about what's happening on the road. According to Dan Priestley, who's a big shot at Tesla overseeing the Semi engineering, they began making the Tesla Semi on a small scale, what they call pilot production, in the third quarter of 2022 at Giga Nevada. It's like a test run to see how things go. Now, when we look at the road, there are almost 100 Tesla Semis in Tesla's own fleet. But here's a fun fact. PepsiCo, the big soda and snacks company, has at least 36 Tesla Semis too. So, quick math, it seems like Tesla has put together roughly 136 Tesla Semis since the pilot production kicked off in Q3 of 2022. Sure, it might sound like a small number, but here's the deal. These trucks are kind of like prototypes. They're still figuring things out, and they're not in full-blown mass production mode yet. Why the slow pace, you ask? Well, here's what Lars Moravy from Tesla has to say. We're working with Pepsi as well to just understand the durability and get it right so we can get into volume production next year. Translation: they're taking their time to make sure these trucks are tough and ready for the big leagues. Dan Priestley also spilled some beans in a Jay Leno's Garage video in October 2023. He said they're collecting data, getting awesome feedback from the drivers, and planning to make a bunch of improvements before going all out into high-volume production. So, while we might wish there were more than 136 Tesla Semis on the road right now, it's kind of cool that Tesla is making sure everything is perfect before going full speed ahead. While some might wish for a larger fleet of Tesla Semis on the roads at this point, there's a silver lining in this deliberate pace. Tesla is ensuring that every aspect of their electric trucks is meticulously perfected before initiating full-scale mass production. Building a large factory for Tesla Semis would be the next logical step, but Tesla is wisely holding off until they've fine-tuned every detail. It's not just about quantity, it's about delivering a groundbreaking, reliable product that paves the way for the future of electric trucking. When it comes to commercial trucking, these heavy-duty machines go through a lot. For instance, companies like PepsiCo run their trucks for about 1 million miles before thinking about replacing them. To put that in perspective, it's way more than what your average car would go through. This means that the durability of commercial semis has to be top-notch, and Tesla is taking this seriously. Tesla, along with gathering data from their own semi fleet, is working closely with PepsiCo to make sure the Tesla Semi is a beast when it comes to durability. They want to ensure it can handle the tough demands of commercial trucking before they hit the mass production button. It's like fine-tuning a masterpiece. A positive sign is that Lars Moravy from Tesla is still talking about mass production of the Tesla Semi in 2024. This suggests that they are getting things pretty close to being just right. I wouldn't be surprised if they start building a separate mass production facility at the Gigafactory in Nevada very soon. It seems like they are gearing up for a big move. More good news: Tesla has job openings specifically related to the Tesla Semi. In October, they had 10 positions open, and as of my recent check, they had 18 more positions. It looks like they are actively moving forward with their mass production plans. Now let's be realistic. Building 50,000 Tesla Semis in 2024 might be a stretch. However, Tesla seems to be thinking ahead. A standalone building dedicated to semi-production could pop up quicker than we think. Elon Musk's team is aiming to have this new factory up and running by the end of 2024. Lars Moravy wouldn't have mentioned volume production next year if they weren't serious about it. Predicting the future is always a bit tricky, but my crystal ball suggests that Tesla might build around 5,000 semis in 2024. The real mass production party could kick off in 2025, where they might hit a whopping 50,000 semis in a single year. In conclusion, the trajectory of Tesla's Semi promises a revolutionary shift in the landscape of commercial transportation. As Tesla meticulously refines and tests their electric trucks through pilot production, the focus on durability, efficiency, and real-world performance is evident. The collaboration with major players like PepsiCo not only underscores Tesla's commitment to quality, but also serves as a testament to the potential of the Tesla Semi in meeting the rigorous demands of heavy-duty commercial use. The prospect of a standalone facility dedicated to Tesla Semi mass production signals a bold step forward. This move aligns with Tesla's vision to streamline production processes and expedite the electrification of the trucking industry. While the goal of manufacturing 50,000 Tesla Semis in 2024 might seem ambitious, the groundwork laid through job openings and specific roles dedicated to the Semi program emphasizes Tesla's serious intent to scale up production. Looking beyond 2024, the anticipated year of true mass production, the Tesla Semi is poised to redefine the standards of the commercial trucking sector. With a potential annual output reaching 50,000 units, the impact on carbon emissions, fuel consumption, and operational costs for businesses could be groundbreaking. The efficiency and durability demonstrated by the Semi could potentially disrupt the traditional norms of the transportation industry. As the automotive industry witnesses a paradigm shift towards sustainable practices, Tesla's commitment to electrifying commercial fleets with the Semi positions them at the forefront of this transformative wave. The integration of cutting-edge technology, meticulous engineering, and real-world data collection not only ensures that the Tesla Semi is ready for the challenges of today, but also sets the stage for a future where electric trucks become the norm rather than the exception. In essence, the Tesla Semi isn't just a truck, it's a catalyst for change. By addressing the unique demands of commercial trucking with an electric powerhouse, Tesla is paving the way for a more sustainable, efficient, and technologically advanced future in the realm of transportation. The revolution has begun, and the road ahead is charged with the promise of a cleaner, greener, and more electrifying journey. So, are you excited about the grand-scale production of the Tesla Semi? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.